Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm back with another Thomas and Friends review. And for this review, I'm going to be joined by both take and play versions of Steven. For this, I'm going to be joined by Steven, the normal Steven, and he's all fixed up, and Steven, the original Steamer, which is the brown version of this. I don't really remember what it's probably called. I think it's Steven, the original Steamer, but whatever it is, that's not really important right now because I have got something really cool to show you. It's a surprise unboxing video. That's right, this isn't just any video, it's also a unboxing surprise package video. Now, in this pack, in this pack, you see, my mom ordered it on Amazon for me, and I think it's going to be really cool, so without further ado, let's open it up. But before we do, just gonna feel it. Yep, it's definitely in there. So now, let's open it up. Okay. Oh wait, hold a sec. It's facing the wrong way. Okay, so in the mail I got Steven's Sticky Delivery, which is a take and play model that came out in 2014, inspired by the DVD Thrills and Spills, which also came out in 2014. So without further ado, let's open up Steven. But before we do, I'm just gonna take a look at this because I'm a little bit excited. Okay, so here we have the front, which shows Steven. So here it says there's a Snap-on jelly, which shows there's some Snap-on jelly on Steven's face. Try not to mind the noise in the background.
Yo, if you got Instagram, go add me, a.carlosr, same on Snap, add me, yo.
Well, that was Aaliyah. I hope you didn't mind if she jumped in for that little video, but anyways. And back here, there is a ejecting cargo car, which shows the button that ejects this piece of cargo car. Now let's look on the back and see the back. Now back here, it shows, of course, Steven's Sticky Delivery, along with 3 other taken place thrills and spilled stuff that you could also get. There's Diesel's Mine Discovery, Harvey's Heavy Haul, and James and the Flying Kipper. So now let's get Steven's Sticky Delivery opened up. This is gonna take a little while, but I will get this open. Oh, I'm beginning. Now you're talking. Now you're talking, baby. Okay. Oh, say hi, Aaliyah.
No.
Okay. Oh, come on, Aaliyah.
Say hi, because I want to say hi. Here's your drink.
Oh, thanks.
Add me on Snap, yo.
Okay, so Now, okay, so now let's get Steven's sticky delivery out of here. And here we have Steven's sticky delivery. So first up, we're going to review Steven. So first up, we'll review Steven. So here is Steven. So let's compare Steven to Steven. Okay, so here are both Stevens, which look exactly the same, except the up top here, there's a crown painted up top here in gold. There's gold crown painted up top here to show that Steven's the king, but up top here, there's not really it's not really painted gold, but who cares? I guess I'm not really going to deal with that issue, but anyways, here are both faces, which look exactly the same. And down here it shows their buffers. So take a hard-coded look at Steven's buffers. Down here, there's not really any jelly or jam down here. But on the other Steven, there's a little bit of purple jam, or jelly, or anyways. Next up, let's take a look at the sides. So here are both sides. Both say rocket, and both have the special Ulstead or Yolstead Castle crust on their tender. Now on this Steven shows no jelly, but on this Steven it shows some jelly on this wheel and this wheel, some on the tender and some on the barrel, some like right here on the boiler, and some more on his funnel, and some on his funnel. Now let's check out the back. The back looks kind of the same. The back looks pretty much the same, but the background looks the same, except for this background, it looks a little scratched up a bit, but... And on the side, looks the same, and is out. So here's a little close-up of what the back looks like. And on the side, this side of Steven looks kind of the same, but this side of Steven looks the same, except there's not any jelly up here or like right here. Now let's take a look up on top. They both have a fine view, except for only one main detail. So get a good look at Steven's boiler. You can't see any jelly on it, but on top of Steven's boiler, you could see some jelly on top of it. And I guess that's why they decided to call this model Steven's Sticky Delivery. And on the bottom looks kind of the same too. Now let's review Steven and Steven the original steamer. Okay, so here's Steven. Okay, so here's the Stevens. As you can see, these two Stevens have the same color, but except this Steven is covered in jelly and jam. But when you take a look at these two Stevens, when you're comparing this Steven, you can see that it's a different color. It's like brown all over, and the bottom is black, and everywhere all over Steven is brown, and like the smoke box, undercarriage, and wheels are dusty. Now let's review this cargo car. So as you can see, this cargo car is a brown cargo car, and it has 4 yellow wheels, which looks kind of cool. Plus, it also carries some jam barrels, some jelly barrels as well. Now, as you can see, on both sides it shows. Hold a sec. Okay, so as you can see on both sides it shows 3 different flavors on both sides. Strawberry, grapes, and raspberries. Plus I like how it's green, except that green's not really that much of my favorite color. And anyways, I know that 2014 just passed, but I just really got this, and so yeah. Now let's review the ejecting cargo car. So as you can see, the ejecting cargo car carries a piece of cargo with a hole inside, and it shows some strawberries and grapes and some raspberries, I think. I wonder if the jellies could fit, the jelly barrels could fit in here. Okay, so the jelly barrels don't fit in here, but okay, what I really like about this cargo car is that it's my favorite color, blue. Now let's review the ejecting cargo car. So this cargo car is bright yellow with yellow wheels. It's like a goldish yellow kind, just like Steven and Steven's Sticky Delivery, except for Steven the original steamer. But anyways, when you press this black button right here, it ejects this cargo car that's inside. Now, and here is how it works. A press of this. Oh, hey, Aaliyah.
Shut up.
Sorry. Okay, sorry about Aaliyah, but anyways. So here, a press of this button and. Okay, hold a second. Just messed up a little bit. Okay, so a press of this. Oh, hi, Mom.
Hi, Noah.
Say hi to the audience, Mom.
Hi, guys.
Oh, and say hi, Aaliyah.
Yo, what up? Add me on Snap, me on the gram.
And this is me. Hi, everyone. I hope you saw me properly. Mom, could you hold the camera in front of me?
Hi guys, it's me, the one who's reviewing this one.
Thanks, Mom. So, anyway. So, a press of this button and boink, it ejects out the cargo car, which is kind of cool, which I find kind of cool. Sick. I'm gonna do it one more time, and it exploded. Now, I wonder if I could do the same thing with the jelly barrels. Looks like there's only one way to find out. Okay, so I can't do it with the jelly barrels. Or is this thing stuck? It must be stuck or something.
Listen to BTS.
Sorry, Leah, but there's something wrong with this cargo car. Okay, there we go. And all it takes is to just push this piece of cargo inside, and then it will work. Now let's see if the jelly works inside here.